This is part 2 already. I'm at the whip right now. I'm just getting a good video of kind of how it looks spaced out right now. The spacers just came in earlier today while I was at work. I'm gonna drive home right quick and throw these spacers on. We're gonna see what they look like. I might be recording videos of the car the outside tomorrow for y'all to really see the difference, because I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see it by the time I install. You know, it's gonna be nighttime, man. It's already getting dark out. By the time I'm done with this install, it's gonna be pretty late. So we gonna see. I'm gonna get with y'all. Excuse me. We gonna see. I'm gonna get with y'all when I'm back in the garage. We gonna throw these spacers on, see how they look. I think these runs are gonna be a very common occurrence in these videos, man. All right. Y'all already know what it is. We back on Home Depot with it. Need to get a breaker bar. I'm sick of using that small ass ratchet. I decided to take this 18 to 24 inch breaker bar. Who knows, maybe one day I'll appreciate the fact that I went and got a bigger one when I need the extra leverage, you feel me? So let's get that in the seat. And let's get back to the crib so I can put these spacers on. I'm gonna make very quick work of this. I'm gonna throw the chest mount on and just power through it real quick, speed through, and get them on super fast because it's already 9. I'm trying to get some other, I want to get stuff edited, I want to get stuff posted for y'all. I need to get these videos actually out. I just can't keep recording and not posting. It's not gonna do nothing if I do that. So let's get to it. I picked up the DINAN 15mm spacers. These are 5x112, 65mm point 5.6 for the hub right here. Should fit perfect, just like that. Nice. If you got a shitty jack like mine, make sure you push that bit back up.
Take us some pride, possess, burn them or give them the songs we trust. I'll be cool with the world on fire as long as it's everything cordial with us. Tell me you love me, let's meet at the tree on the hill and watch as the world blow up. I ain't afraid of me dying alone. I'll be spending my money on clothes and diamonds. None of this shit make me bulletproof. Boy, I don't see what's the point of me buying designer. Find me in. I ain't going back to the old days. Fire as long as it's everything. Let's meet at the tree on the hill and watch as the world blow up.
But this light is hot as fuck, bro. Yeah. Torque it all down. 101. Hold on. Hey man, make sure y'all charge y'all shit, because then when you need it, it's nice and full and ready to use. Don't be like me. What's up with y'all boys? Let me know what y'all been working on personally as a man in the comments. What's something you've been working to improve? A flaw you've been trying to fix about yourself? If you don't got an answer to that question, you need to reflect. Because you should always have something you need to work on. Unless you think you're perfect. I don't know, me personally, I definitely ain't perfect. I know there's a lot more that I could be. Make sure you see that potential in yourself and you work towards it. Same thing as every other side. Torque to 101. And we are on the last wheel. Make sure you're doing a crisscross pattern whenever y'all torquing your wheels down. Don't even ask me why. Just do it, alright? And just like that, we are finished. 15 mils all around. I'm gonna try turning the car around. I'm gonna put it facing that way. I'm gonna put the light on it. I'm gonna see if we can get a better view of it. Alright guys, install is complete. 15 mil spacers all around. Looks pretty good. I'd say the fitment with the 15 mil is honestly like perfect. Like that is beautiful. Beautifully flush right there. Very perfectly flush. Front and back. Now I'm considering having a little bit of poke now that I see what the 15 mils look like. So I might jump up to 20s. Might get some 5 mils to jump on top of that. I do have 70 mil studs, so I definitely have the room for it on the stud. I'm not mad at it though. That looks beautiful. I'm gonna get a better clip in the daytime. This is gonna be the part 2. I have a lot of stuff to edit. I'm gonna be editing everything tonight. This is all really back to back to back, but we're gonna get it a little separate. But yeah man, spacers are installed. Next thing I'm thinking about doing is paint matched reflectors. I'm thinking about getting some lug nuts now that I got these lug studs on. I'm thinking about getting some blue ones to put on here. Y'all let me know what y'all think about that. You think the calipers, but yeah man, a lot more to come. Y'all let me know what else y'all want to see. Keep working man.